Hello, I'm Arunabh, a senior software developer with over 8 years of experience. Currently, I'm working in Gartner remotely from my home office here in Patna. I have a passion to use technology to build products. Let me walk you through my journey. Since my graduation as a computer science engineer back in 2016, I started working in KPIT technologies as full stack developer. Here I got exposed to writing production grade code. There was a huge emphasis from my then mentors towards clean coding and understanding of design principle. This helped me strengthen my fundamentals. Towards the end, I also got an opportunity to ride the blockchain wave. That continued in my next stint at Curl Analytics, where I was the first member of the blockchain team. Along with my CTO, we created a team of 10 members and we worked across this domain, starting from Web3 to Solidity. We worked on private blockchains like Hyperledger Fabric, R3 Corda. We worked on features like asset tokenization, archiving in blockchain, policy making, etc. Here I got an understanding of a new technology, how can it create a product and what it takes for that product to reach the mass, and what are some real world hurdles. During COVID, our company had to shut down their blockchain division, and I pivoted back to my original domain, that is, a senior software developer. Here, I got an opportunity to convert a promising project to a full blown production grade product that involved interacting with 11 different AI models written in different languages like Python, Julia, etc. We implemented features like dynamic scaling or selective pricing model or licensing as we used to call it. In this, user can decide if he want to go for the advanced AI or the basic one based on his need, and accordingly he was priced. I used the data structure DAG to implement this, and that was one of the most optimal way, and I was recognized for this. Towards the end, I handed over this entire product to a CTO who was hired for this specific purpose, and my work here was greatly appreciated. Post that, I decided to move on. Since then, I've worked for Upland Software. Currently, I'm working at Gartner for around 2 years. Last 3 years, my focus has been towards strengthening my knowledge of software design, development, microservice architecture, and everything around it. Here, I realized power of working in a big team with heavy pockets. In just last 2 years, we have delivered 5 production grade products, out of which I completely own one of them. We have a reusable component that gets utilized in all the products in our practice. And just last quarter, our company promised that we can deliver a product from idea to production in just 1 month. And that's huge. Our guiding statement here is fail fast, fail better. The one by Peter Dinklage. We kind of live by it. Right now, I'm super excited to grow my technical arsenal with knowledge and to plan a journey of creating something wonderful that I would want to associate my career with.